Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a really brief one today. We do have our summer tour coming out over the next couple days, but we've just picked up one of the Waggy Palms from B&M, and I'll just show you what that looks like here. Guys, here's the most recent purchase. This is the Trachycarpus wagnerianus palm, picked up at local box store B&M for about £37.50. Pretty good deal. It's about a 1.5 foot trunk, and I'd say that's about 3.5, 4 foot up to the top of the leaves there. With that said, guys, I did check on the root system, which I'll just show you here very briefly what that looks like. So you can just see here, guys, decent amount of root. Looks like it's pretty pot bound. These were new into B&M, so I'd assume this has been in the pot for some time now. With the size of the trunk though, kind of unsure if this would have been grown in the pot, but again, I'm just assuming, guys, with that nice healthy amount of roots there, you know, that should really help it to take off. Gonna get this soaked in, and I think we're gonna plant it right in the sort of new stream bed area there. All right, guys, you can just see here, if I take a look at it, I've planted it just in this new sort of stream bed area here. If I come down, so it has quite a nice placement, sort of in the middle. Again, I'm hoping that will kind of grow out. Bit of a more windier area as well, so the stiffer leaves should really kind of help for this area. You can just see here, have lifted it up slightly, just really to get a bit of better drainage underneath there. Again, it was quite pot bound, so I'm just hoping that's going to really put some effort into the roots. You can see just next to it, guys, just to show you briefly, got a new sedum here. Quite nice colors on it. Hopefully that will fill out around here. We've also got one of the ferns that is popping out, loads of new fronds coming out as well. We've put the amaranthus here, as well as another Diropterus fern, and just in the back there you've got the onset morelli. It's taken a bit of a beating from the wind today, but with that said, but just to show you here, guys, lastly, just so we look at it now, looking down this kind of pathway here, you know, it is kind of nice. We've got kind of the palms on all sides, so hopefully it's kind of fill in this path and sort of help to grow this kind of jungle area here. But with that said, guys, if you have not checked out the friends of the channel, certainly feel free to do so. Lots of great channels and content on there. Some new videos out from them as well, so certainly keep your eye on that. Make sure you're subscribed. Keep an eye out for our April tour coming out over the next few days. Going to go sort of in depth on all the plants and ideas, new plantings, everything like that. So certainly make sure you catch that. But with that said, subscribe and follow along. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.